So now we're getting into those word problems for your quadratic function. So what we're taking a look at is we're trying to imagine this situation happening and then answer the question that it's looking for, basically what number. So a punter kicks a football in the air. So again, they kick the football, it goes up in the air. The path of football can be represented and it comes back down. So what goes up must come back down. So they kick the football, goes up, and it comes down in this nice little parabola-shaped arc here. And this is our equation. So they want to know how long will it take the football to reach the ground. So if I'm taking a look as a graph, this little line represents how high it's going as it's traveling and going in this direction. So in other words, this way, this is in terms of time, because that's what they're saying, where the X line is in time. And then my Y line, so the Y line here, that is your height. So in other words, as it gets higher and higher and as time keeps going and going, so they want to know how long will it take for the football to reach ground. So again, if the football goes up, when does it reach the ground if I'm tracing that path? Well, it's going to hit right around this location. So whatever this part is, let me try a different color. So whatever that little location is, that's what we're looking for. So that particular point. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this equation that they give us, conveniently give us, so then that way we can figure this out. So negative, so make sure you include the negative 16x squared plus 82x, and then I'm going to graph it. So I'm going to go to zoom, let's do standards, so 6. So the ball goes up, goes off my little screen, and it comes back down and hits right around this particular point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that trace feature. So it's going to go tracing up, it's going to go up, and then it's going up, 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 and you see that number? Now it's coming back down. If you pay attention to this yellow, or the Y line, Y point, it's coming back down, 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 and now it hits the ground right at this particular point. So I want to know the exact number. So I do second, trace, finding that 0 because it's hitting that x-intercept part. So I do 0. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the left bound. I'm going to do the left side. So if I trace it back up, there's left. If I go down, here's the right of it. And then my guess. So it looks like it hits the 0, particularly at 5.125 seconds. And that's how long the football travels in the air, gets to its highest point, and then comes back down at 5.125 seconds. And that's how easy those word problem ones are using your calculator.